Welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you for joining me today. Smart Quiz Builder is the world's best quiz and survey plugin for WordPress. Today I'm excited to let you know that we have added 3 new question types in SQB. And the one that I want to show you today is called Complete the Sentence. And this was something a lot of our users had requested, where you have a sentence and you can have multiple sentences and you want to have some missing words. And you want your users to drag and drop the correct answer to fill in the missing word. And you want to do this in a scoring quiz, and you want to give them points for each correct answer. So you can now do this using Smart Quiz Builder. In addition to this, we have also added 2 new question types. One is an email. If you want to collect email as part of a question, now you can do this. This is in addition to the opt-in form, right? So there you collect name and email. But if you just want to get users to give you their email, but don't want to collect email as part of the lead generation, you can now do this by asking them for email. It will look like a question. And we have also added phone number as another question type, where depending on the country, it's going to show the right format and they can enter the phone number. Now let me take you behind the scenes to quickly show you how you can use complete the sentence type of question. All right, so now let me show you how you can add all these 3 different types of questions to your quiz. So here you can see I have this quiz. I'm going to edit and show you my settings. I have all 3 question types in this quiz, but you can use whichever ones you want. And you can also do this with a new quiz or an existing quiz. This is a scoring quiz. You can do this with all types of quizzes. However, it probably makes the most sense with the scoring quiz because you're doing complete the sentence where you want users to fill in the correct answer, drag and drop the correct answer. So if you want to give them points for each correct answer, you can only do this if you're using a scoring quiz. So here, this is a scoring quiz. Let me edit this and show you my settings. The email and the phone number, you can do this with all question types. Doesn't have to be a scoring quiz, but complete the sentences makes the most sense in a scoring quiz. Display settings, I'm just using all the basic default options, nothing too complicated here. And I'm just using template 1, but you can do this with any one of these templates. Start screen, this is my start screen, just a simple image. Take this quiz button. Questions, I have 3 question types here just to show you all these 3 new question types we have now added in SQB. Question number 1 is the fill in the blank question type. And the way it works is you can, let me hide this description. Here you can see question type I have selected, complete the sentences. And email and phone number, these are the 2 new question types we have added other than this complete the sentences question type. And whatever you want your sentence to be, enter the full sentence here first, right? You enter the sentence here, that's what I did. And whatever words you want users to fill in or drag and drop, enclose it with a square bracket like this one. So I want quiz to be the missing word here. I want quiz to show up at the bottom here so they can drag and drop it. So whatever are the fill in the blank words, you can enclose it with a square bracket. So enter your full sentence here, enclose the words in a square bracket like I have done, quiz, WordPress, and membership, right? So these are the 3 words I want users to fill in. And then what you have to do is click on generate. When you click on generate, it's going to show these words, right? Ones that you have enclosed with a square bracket, it's going to show them here and users can drag and drop it here. In the front end, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the front end, but this is going to become a box and users can drag and drop the right word into the right box. And if they don't, that's fine, but they will not get the point. They'll only get points for the correct answer. So here, quiz, I'm going to give 1 point for each one of these answers. If they drag and drop it correctly, they will get a point. If they don't, they will not get the point. Correct and incorrect answer message, if you want to leave it empty, you can. But you can't have different messages for each one of these words. However, you can have the entire sentence here to show them the correct sentences, right? That's what I have done. I have copied this entire sentence here in the correct answer text. An incorrect text, it just says, sorry, this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is, and then this entire text so they can see what's the correct answer, all right? So this is not required, but you can do this. And that's it. This is how this works. And I'll show you what it looks like in the front end. Question number 2, you can see this is an email type of question. I have selected email. If you want to ask users for their email and you want it to appear as a question, and you don't want to display a lead generation form like this, you can do it now with this kind of question type. What's your email? However, if you want users to be added to your email platform, to the right list with the right tag, you need to have a lead generation form. You need to have a form like this. Otherwise, it will not end up in your email platform. So this is just for your information. If you don't want to collect email as part of lead generation, but just collect it as part of a question, you can do this and you will find their email in the reports page. All right. And that's it. There's no correct or incorrect answer here. I've just selected email type. This is the placeholder text. You can change it to whatever you want. Here, I have set it to enter your email here. You can see here, there's a ... here. You can click on it. And this is the required field. If you don't want it to be a required field, you can turn this off. And you can enter validation message if it's a required field. Now, question number 3, it's a phone number question. You can see I have selected type as phone number, which is another new type of question we have added. And users will see this. They can select their country and it will show them the right format for the phone number. And they can enter their number here. All right. Now, question number 3, it's a phone number type where you can see enter your phone number. I have selected the question type as phone number. This is another new question type we have added. Users can select their country from the drop down in the front end and enter the phone number in the right format. It will show them the right format depending on the country. So these are the 3 new question types. I have added 3 new questions just to show you what each one of these will look like in the front end and how you can set this up in the back end. Lead generation, regular stuff, and outcome screen. There is just one outcome screen. This is a scoring quiz. So if you are doing a scoring quiz, make sure that you have an outcome for each one of the possible score users can get. In this case, I just have one question with points. So in this case, I just have one question with points. So users can get a max of 3 points in this question. And the outcome screen, you can see I have the range 0 to 10. So no matter what score they get from 0 through 10, they're going to end up on this outcome screen. You can create as many outcome screens as you want for different scoring range if you want. But in this case, I'm just keeping things simple for this demo. So there's just one outcome screen. Notifications tab, if you want to send your students an email when they complete the quiz, or if you want to send yourself an email when someone completes a quiz, you can set that up here. You can configure the contents of the email here. And shortcode at the end, you're going to get a shortcode for your quiz. If it's a WordPress site, you can copy the shortcode, which I have done, and publish it on any WordPress page where you want your quiz to show up. And if it's a non-WordPress site, if it's not a WordPress site, you can use the embed code option and publish the embed code wherever you want the quiz to show up. So now I'm going to show you the front-end user experience and show you what these questions look like in the front end and how it works. All right, so this is the back end and this is WordPress page. I have published the shortcode right here on this page. There's nothing else on this page, just this quiz. You can see here, this is what the front end looks like, all right? All I have is just a simple image, take the quiz button, and that's all I have on this page. Users can click, take this quiz button. This is the first question, complete the sentences with the correct answers. And these are the words and these are the boxes and they need to drag and drop it. And if they get it correct, they're going to get a point. If not, they're not going to get a point, all right? So here, Smart Quiz Builder is the best quiz plugin, right? Quiz is the right word. However, I'm going to use the wrong word here, WordPress plugin for quiz, and DAP is the best membership. This is the correct answer, plugin for WordPress. So I got 2 incorrect and 1 correct answer. Next, you can see it says, sorry, the correct answer is Smart Quiz Builder is the best quiz plugin for WordPress. DAP is the best membership plugin. So it shows them the entire sentence and the correct sentence. And they got 2 incorrect answers, which is color coded differently. The correct one is this color. They can see it here. Next question, what's your best email? They can enter email here. Next, enter your phone number. And here I have selected United States in the backend as the default country. So that's showing up at the top. However, if you want a different country, you can save it like that. Let me show you that quickly. So here, for example, question 3, enter your phone number. I have selected US. However, if you want a different country, select that country here in the backend and you can save it. So when you save it as this, is going to become the default and it will show up at the top. In my case, I have selected United States as the default country. Users can enter the phone number. You can see all the countries are listed here. They can select their country. It will show them the right format for the phone number, depending on the country. So I'm going to enter it here. Next, here users can opt in. I have the lead generation form active. If you don't want a lead generation form, opt-in form, you can turn that off in the display settings of the quiz, and that's it. And it says you got a score of 1 out of 3 because I got 1 correct answer and 2 incorrect answers in the matching word question, in the fill in the blank question. And so that's my score, and you can add whatever you want. This is just a demo quiz. I don't have any contents here, but whatever you want on the outcome screen, you can have it here, and you can upload whatever image you want here. You can create as many outcome screens as you want. Users will be redirected to the right outcome screen based on the score. if it's a scoring quiz, right? All right, so that's it. This is how it works. I hope this was helpful. As you can see, it's really easy to add these new type of questions to your existing quizzes or to your new quizzes. And it makes the most sense to add the complete the sentences question type to a scoring quiz because you want to be able to give users points for correct answers. But the other two question types, email and phone number, you can add it to any type of quiz. And that's it for now. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And my name is Veena Prashant. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.